Alright guys, all I can say is grab your bass, grab your headphones. Come, let's practice, okay? Let's learn these legs. Very important legs for this song. Let's go to the next one. Next one. All right, let's go. Who's ready? Who's ready? If you're ready, please give me a follow. Please like this video and share it, okay? So the first leg is this. Do, so, mi, la. So, la, do. Ti. That's the first leg, okay? Do, so, mi, la. So, la, do. Ti. I will sing it along with him, okay? You ready for it? Let's go. Let's go. Do, so, mi, la. So, la, do. Ti. La. Okay, fa. Then the next one is so, la, do, fa, re, mi, so, do, re, mi, do, so, la, mi, so, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, la, ti, la, so. Let's do along with the song. Let's do both together, okay? Let's go.